From WXOW, this is La Crosse's own News 19 6 p.m. report.
We're hearing tonight directly from a pair of patients in Gunderson Hospital's COVID unit, sharing powerful warnings about the surge of the virus. Good evening. Thank you for joining us. I'm Dustin Lukey. Some patients in that COVID unit at Gunderson Health System are dying. Some are surviving the virus. Right now, Gunderson says they're seeing a range of 30 to 35 patients on the floor, and Gunderson says it is projected to rise. Now, with the increase in patients, the hospital hopes people listen to these stories and get vaccinated. News 19's Marcus Arsvold spoke with the patients who are fighting the virus. Marcus, you sat down with those who are no longer infectious while wearing full PPE. So tell us what you learned today.
Well, I learned that even inside those walls, for those fighting the Delta variant, that vaccine debate still exists. Marilyn Zick was vaccinated but immunocompromised after a long battle with leukemia.
I try not to let myself get too panicky when I can't breathe.
She gets to see her husband and her best friend now because she doesn't have long to live.
You probably won't be able to have breakfast.
Yeah.
Marilyn says people need to get vaccinated.
It's meant as a tool for us to keep others healthy around us.
Across the hall, John Feist had no underlying conditions but was not vaccinated.
This is very, very, very real. I was killed.
On August 5th, he was out on a boat. On August 6th, he was in the emergency room.
I went from absolutely terrific to flat on my back.
He says he almost died.
I had to fight to breathe.
He appreciates the hardworking healthcare workers who saved his life.
There's no way to think. They have a miserable job under terrible circumstances, and they do it because they want to help.
Here's how he responded when asked if he'll get vaccinated in the future.
That remains to be seen. Too many things in the air with that now.
He's hoping to get out of the hospital soon, while all Marilyn can do is share her hope for others.
People would just realize how they can be helping their fellow man, helping them save all these lives just by getting a vaccine.
It feels like a different world inside the COVID unit, especially compared to where we're at in the outside world. Healthcare workers understand the world needs to move on, but while the battle continues on in that COVID unit, they simply hope people will make their jobs easier and get vaccinated. Dustin, either way, nurses on that floor say they'll do their best to take care of the increasing number of patients that get admitted.
Yeah, tough job. Thank you, Marcus. And we're certainly hoping for the best for anyone who's struggling to battle the virus. And thank those as well who are on that unit taking care of those folks.